Hey there Lagans, it's been a while, and for today, we are going to Gasi Elementary School for our class pictorial. We arrived here at around 7 a.m. and we went directly to the office to set up our props. We did not waste any time and we started to prepare our setups. We started to unfold the tripods, the reflectors, and prepare the backdrops, while Krisha and Mama prepared the toga and ironed it so that it will be ready for the pictorial. Lee and Vince prepared the lighting while I'll prepare the camera and the backdrop. It's so nice to arrive early in our location so we can be familiar with the lighting exposure or the position of our setup. Disclaimer, we are not expert or we don't have a proper education in this kind of service, but we do the best we can to provide the quality photos and results to our clients. It took us around 30 minutes to set up everything, and by this time, we informed the teachers that our setup is now ready. Finally, we finished our setup and this is how it looks like.
Ready, ready! Go, go, go!
Wala mix it up.
Ay, marking. Marking sa kuan.
Magsugod na din mi guys.
And the time-lapse began. We started our pictorial with a kindergarten who arrived early regardless of their gender, so that we can save more time while waiting for the others to come and do the class pictorial. In between of that, we went to the stage to have the class pictorial and went back to continue the individual pictorial. After that, we move on to the grade 6 and I let my cousin try capturing these kids. After our pictorial, we started to pack up and keep all our things. It's time to go.
Hi guys, mana tayo may angkad.
Hi guys, pauli na mi guys. This is my first vlog.
Bye!
Finally, our day at Gesi is done and we are going home. But before that, we drove ourselves going to a food kitchenette nearby.
Kontat tayo mga. Wala na. Kanay mo. Duguan.
Ang nakang saglit kami. O, nagyabri yan, hindi na nagkuhan. Kaon na kayo, rice.
Diyan lang ang tungo ako.
Sabaw ako, isda pa bigan. Ano po, ano?
We ended our day with a good food trip and a thankful heart. We thank you, Gasi Elementary School, for trusting our service and for trusting us. Until next video, bye!